Hello, good day, sawadika. So for today's video, topic natin is male eyebrow microblading frequently asked questions. Yan. So first, is it real hair na nilalagay ba sa eyebrow nyo? No. So it's a form of cosmetic tattoo, but it's very natural and look like hair stroke like. Para very natural and undetectable. Does it look like natural? Magte-turn ba siya into blue-green? Magmumukha ba siyang fake? Magmumukha siyang tattoo? The answer is, it should not. It should look natural. It should be undetectable. And dapat ang result niya, even long-term, is okay, maganda, at hindi mukhang tattoo. Third, is it permanent? Yes, it's permanent. So be careful. Kailangan talaga natural siya. It's forever in your skin na. Then, naglalighten siya, konting-konti. Siyempre, nagre-regrow yung skin natin. So, pwede nyo siyang i-touch up every 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, depende na sa inyo. Yan. So, yung male eyebrow microblading ba, mapapantay niya yung kilay ko? Usually, no. Because 100% ng tao, wala namang pantay na kilay, no? And sa male eyebrows, mas okay hindi pantay kasi susundan lang natin yung natural eyebrows nyo para mag-natural. Usually nga, hindi nagde-design sa male eyebrows. We just follow the natural hair of your eyebrows to make it very natural and undetectable. Then, important note, always remember, less is more. No need na maitim, mukhang makapal. That's the time na magmumukhang siyang fake unless fuller naman yung eyebrows nyo. Pero pag yung eyebrows nyo is wala talaga masyadong hair, wag nyo i-request na sobrang itim after or mukhang makapal kasi hindi rin talaga kakayanin sa inyo magmumukha siyang tattoo. Remember, less is more. Then another, take note, it should look natural, no? It looks enhanced. No need nga na mukhang dark na dark after kung hindi naman kaya. But, important note din, after talaga magkakaroon ng enhancement at mas magmumukhang denser siya. So, very effective siya. So, if you have any questions, free consultation or assessment, just message us. Thank you!